Are you prepared for sudden pipe leaks at your home? Fix it yourself. Introducing SUREFIX Home Leak Repair Kit. Made by Alchem, a product of Singapore. Let us take a look at how our product works in few easy steps. First, measure diameter of the pipe using this formula and select twist repair clip as per the size guide. Our kit comes with 3 anti-leak pads and 3 twist repair clips, small, medium, and large. Now, remove protection film on white anti-leak pad and fix it to the inner side of twist repair clip. Position it together on the pipe and tighten until the leak stops. Repeat the same process for other pipe sizes and materials. Our home leak repair kit can be used for up to 3 times. It works on all shapes, joints and bends. Voila! The pipe leaks are so easy to fix. Save yourself from expensive plumbing costs. This method is suitable for all residential kitchen and bathroom pipes. Fix pipe size up to 1.5 inch. Thanks for watching. Order now via our official online stores or call us today at +656 747 8643.